In this section, we'll explain why we chose the Ethereum virtual machine and Hyperledger Besu for the distributed ledger layer in PISTIS. Our architecture needed a smart contract environment that could operate in a permissioned setup, support modular design, and deliver transparency through mature development tools. It also had to integrate smoothly with identity wallets and external platform components. Hyperledger Besu is a permissioned blockchain that runs on the Ethereum virtual machine. It allows us to write smart contracts in Solidity, operate nodes within a controlled consortium, and use the extensive Ethereum developer toolchain. This combination gives us both flexibility and enterprise-grade governance. By adopting the EVM, we gain strong auditability and simple integration. Our system stays modular. Only the Smart Contract Execution Engine, or SCEE, interacts directly with the blockchain. We also inherit a rich ecosystem of wallets, libraries, and debugging tools that make development faster and more reliable. In practice, we deploy Besu in permissioned mode. Validator nodes form a consortium of trusted partners. The SCEE communicates with Besu through the JSON RPC interface to execute smart contracts and record identity-driven metadata on the ledger. The Ethereum virtual machine was the natural choice. It provides control without forcing us to reinvent the wheel. It's stable, well-supported, permissioned, and fully interoperable. All essential qualities for our hybrid design within PISTIS. In the next section, we'll explore the PISTIS wallet architecture, how the identity wallet and the smart contract execution engine work together to record data, transactions and enforce contract logic.